Hi friends, welcome to GK and Current Affairs Learning Tricks. Today we are going to discuss current affairs of May 1, 2021. Top 15 questions with answers. Questions can be asked in all competitive exams like SSC, Railway, Bank, UPSC, etc. First question: who represented India at the G7 Digital and Technology Ministerial meeting? Answer: Ravi Shankar Prasad. Union Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad represented India at G7 Digital and Technology Ministerial meeting. He spoke about India's effort to bring digital inclusion and empower ordinary citizens through the use of technology under the Digital India program. Second question: what is the name of the former Attorney General who passed away due to COVID-19? Answer: Soli Sorabji. Former Attorney General of India Soli Sorabji passed away on April 30 at age of 91 years. According to news agency, his family said that he passed away due to COVID-19 virus. Third question: when is International Jazz Day observed? Answer: April 30. International Jazz Day brings together communities, schools, artists, historians, academies, and jazz enthusiasts all over the world to celebrate and learn about jazz and its roots, future, and impact. Raise awareness of need for intellectual dialogue and mutual understanding, and reinforce international. Fourth question: India received the first COVID emergency aid from which country? Answer: USA. India received the first COVID-19 emergency aid supplies from United States in this morning as the country fights a deadly second wave that has strained healthcare system. Fifth question: which organization has launched Joint Military Exercise Defender Europe 21 in Albania? Answer: NATO. NATO has launched joint military exercise in Albania with thousands of military force from the United States and other countries in the first such large-scale drills since World War II in the Western Balkans, and US Army officials said Thursday. Sixth question: which country has launched a robot prototype Neo 1? Answer: China. China has launched a robot prototype named Neon 1 that is capable of clearing space debris left behind by other spacecraft. Seventh question: which nation has decided to join Net Zero Producers Forum on Climate Change? Answer: Saudi Arabia. Eighth question: who has been appointed as the new CMD of BEML Limited? Answer: Amit Banerjee. Amit Banerjee has been appointed as the new chairman and managing director of BEML Limited, a mini Ratna Defence PSU under Ministry of Defence. Ninth question: who has inaugurated the India's first 3D printed house? Answer: Nirmala Sitharaman. India's Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman virtually inaugurated India's first 3D printed house, which is situated within IIT Madras, said the institute. Tenth question: when is International Workers' Day celebrated in every year? Answer: May 1. The International Labour's Day, which is also known as May Day, is observed across the world on May 1 every year. The day is celebrated to recognize the hard work of labor class. The day commemorates the labor movements demanding the reduced working hours at 8 and paid leaves. 11th question: Which state is planning to launch Unified Command for COVID-19 management? Answer: Tamil Nadu. The Tamil Nadu government will launch a Unified Command Center for COVID-19 management at about noon on Friday. 12th question. Which country provides 600 oxygen concentrators to India for COVID patients? Answer: US. Air India will bring around 600 oxygen concentrators to its 2 US-India flights in the next 2 days, aviation industry sources said on Sunday. These oxygen concentrators have been ordered by private entities, the source mentioned. 13th question. Where is world's longest pedestrian suspension bridge situated, which was opened recently? Answer: Portugal. 14th question. Name the Tamil director cinematographer who passed away recently due to COVID-19. Answer: K.V. Anand. K.V. Anand, noted Tamil film director and cinematographer, died here early on Friday due to cardiac arrest, sources close to his family said. He passed away in a hospital at 3 a.m. due to cardiac arrest. He was 54 years old. Riaz K. Hamad, a film industry publicist and movie buff, said. 15th question. Which state suspends Chardham Yatra due to COVID-19 pandemic? Answer: Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand government suspended the Chardham Yatra until further orders on Thursday, a day after High Court lashed out the government over its decision to allow Kumbh Mela amid the raging COVID-19 pandemic.